Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin while ready. Sign into your OnlyWay account and keep the gift card code visible. Once in the app, go directly to Wallet or Store. This is where code's live. Tap Redeem, type the code exactly and confirm. This applies funds to your OnlyWay balance. Do this now so you avoid lost time later. The reason: redeeming an app updates your account instantly, enabling purchases without linking a bank card. After redeeming, you proceed to buy content. Choose the VR title or item, then hit Buy. Make sure to select OnlyWay balance as the payment method. If the balance is insufficient, the system will prompt for a secondary payment. You can combine funds automatically. Once you choose Confirm, the platform deducts from your gift balance first, which prevents accidental charges to saved cards. This flow protects you and ensures purchases complete smoothly across headset and account. Finish by verifying the purchase receipt and viewing your updated OnlyWay balance. This confirms the card applied correctly. If the code fails, pause and double-check each character, the card region, expiration, and whether it's already used. Make sure your account region matches the card's currency. Mismatches block redemption. If problems persist, capture screenshots, note the error text and time. Then contact OnlyWay support, providing that info speeds resolution and often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.